Hello friends, my name is Neha. In today's lesson, we will discuss about the simple present tense. As we have already discussed about the different types of tenses which are extremely helpful to learn the English, whether it is written or spoken. But in today's lesson, I will discuss about the simple present tense, which is also known as present indefinite tense. In simple present tense, it tells us about that action that happens in the present, which has no end. Simple words, it tells us about something that happens on regular basis, like sun rises in the east. As we know that sun rises every day and it will keep rising forever. So it is true. But if we see that in Punjabi and Urdu, the sentence ends in ta, te, ti, means the sentence ends with the word with the words like खेलता है, खेलती है, चलता है, चलती है, पढ़ता है, पढ़ती है, that are present indefinite tenses. So today, let us try to understand how to make a sentence that describes an action in the present indefinite tense. I hope that you have memorized all the verbs, forms, and the meanings in unit. If not, please memorize them before learning the tenses because they are going to help you to complete the sentence with correct verb and subject and object. There are four types of rules that are needed to understand what is the simple present tense. The rule one is in the present indefinite tense, we have to use the first form of verb with he, she, it plus s or es and the name of any person, place, or thing. See this chart in which the present indefinite tense is given, in which the first form of verb s or es is used with he, she, it, and name of any person. Like he goes to school means he is a singular with which we use the first form of verb go, and with first form of verb we added es means goes. So go is the first form of verb and es we added because of he. So he goes to school. Let's see few examples of it. Like he watches videos on YouTube. The first subject is he, so we added watch, first form of verb, plus es. He watches videos on YouTube. Second is she uploads. She upload plus s, uploads selfies on Instagram. See rule number 2, in which we use first form of verb with I, we, you, they, and we do not use e or es, s or es with the first form of verb. See the chart, present indefinite tense, in which we have used the first form of verb with I, we, you, they eat food. So the subject was they, so we added first form of verb and there is no use of s or es with they. See some examples of this. First is I watch movies on Netflix. I with I we use only first form of verb. We do not use s or es. Second is they listen to music on Amazon Prime. They listen is the first form of verb. We do not add s or es. Like all the sentences are framed with single form of verb, first form of verb. There is no s or es in it. Now we have understood the basics when we have to use the first form of verb plus s or es and where we do not have to use s or es. Now let us learn how to make questions of sentences which is in present indefinite tense. When we have to ask the question from someone, when the subject is he, she, it and name of any person, then we will add does and we will remove s or es from the verb. Like does he watch videos on YouTube? Like watch is the first form of verb, but we do not use s or es behind it. We use s or es behind the do. Do is also the form of verb. do, did, done. So we added es there. Does he watch videos on YouTube? Does she upload selfies on Instagram? Earlier we wrote she uploads selfies on Instagram. She uploads. Now we have added es in does. Third is, does it rain every day? Rule number 4 is we use do with I, we, you, they, and the same will be there. We will not add s or es behind do because we do not use it with I, we, you, they. Do I watch movies on Netflix? So with I haven't used earlier watches. I used watch. So here I'm using only do. Do I watch movies on Netflix? Do we sleep in the day? Do you fail in the exams? So es is used only with he, she, it and the name of any person, whether it is in the question form or it is a simple sentence. I hope, friends, my video will be helpful for you to understand the concept of simple present tense. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.